All right, let's do a little bit of Tailwind to wrangle the site up. Um, Desktop audio off, great. All right, so what do we want to do? We're going to have a look at and open Visual Studio Code, which has our code base, which is Droops. And first thing I'll do is remove this content block because we don't want it. Manage structure block layout. And we're going to be looking for, I think there's a content. Yeah, see, this is just a list. We don't want to click it, but before I go scrolling down, I want to make sure it's what I'm looking for. Here it is, content, main page content. This is the one that sticks content on the main page right here. So we're going to get rid of that by changing its region. Nope. We are going to get rid of it by clicking this little arrow and hitting. Let's disable it for now. We don't want to remove it. We may want to use it again. So we've saved. We've removed it. I'm going to hit save blocks. I don't know if I have to do that, but I'm going to do it for fun and for assurance. Then if we reload this page, it's still there. Is there something I missed? Let's make sure what it is. Inspect. Right there. We got the node. Where's the region? I think I scrolled past it. We'll use the search HTML for .region. And if that worked, I have no idea. There it is. There's one. That's the header. Keep going. We're in. I pressed enter to keep searching, and now we are in region hero. Let's enter it one more time, and now we are in region content. So what happened? Hero content, main page content disabled. I wonder if I do a drush cr. Yeah, edev drush cr. If it will disappear when I reload the front page now. And it didn't. So disabled does not appear to be working. This is where I really start to doubt myself. Like, what's going on? Is it the software? Is it me? Appears to be the software. I hope it is. I'm going to go ahead and what do I do with it? Can't just go stick it in a disabled. So we're going to go ahead and have to remove it. And that's okay. Because we can always bring it back manually. Or if you're advanced, you may be able to export the config and whatnot. Import it later. Back up, try it out, restore. But we are not doing that route. What a shame. Let's verify. Wait, maybe I have to. Okay, what does this say? The block main page content is removed from the content region. We're in the Drupal block layout page. There's absolutely nothing in content. No blocks in this region. I'm going to hit save blocks again. And then I shall shift reload. I'm going to try that drush. I'm going to reload. And nothing happened. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to post this video to our Drupal on Reddit and ask, what am I doing wrong? Cool.